How do you create pre-minted packs on WaxDAO? The first thing you need to do is go to waxdao.io, click on the wallet icon on the top right here, and it's going to ask you to log in. I'm going to log in with Anchor. Now I'm logged in, so I'm going to click on the wallet icon again, and then click Go to Wallet. This is going to take me to the wallet interface. And on the right-hand side here in the sidebar, you can scroll down to Pack Creator and go to My Pre-Minted Pools. Or you can click on Create New Pool if you already have pre-minted pools like I do. So I'm going to click on Create New Pool. And it's going to ask me to create a pre-minted pool of assets. If you create a pre-minted pack, the NFTs have to come from somewhere. The pack's just not going to magically take NFTs out of thin air. They need to come from a pre-minted pool. So we're going to create one right now. All you have to do is enter a display name. So let's call this Premint Test. And then you can click on this little search bar to find the collection that you want to link your pre-minted pool to. Keep in mind, you can actually just add assets from any collection. It doesn't matter if you have a bunch of different assets in your wallet. You can add them from any collection, but you have to tie the actual pool itself to some collection because you need to deposit RAM in order to create pre-minted packs, and the RAM is going to come from your collection balance. So that's the only reason you need to link a collection. So I'm going to link mine to Hoodpunk NFTs. So when I deposit my RAM in a minute, I'll deposit my RAM to the Hoodpunk NFTs collection. So click on Hoodpunk NFTs. It's going to ask me to sign a transaction and create the pool. Transaction is signed. Pool has been created. And now if I go back into the sidebar by clicking the wallet here, I can go to My Pre-Minted Pools. And you can see I now have two pools. One of them is Premint Test. That's the one we just created. So now we want to actually add assets to this pool. It's an empty pool right now. We need to add some assets to it. So let's click on Manage Pool. And this will take us to the page where we can manage the pool. And you can see it'll tell you right at the top here, make sure your collection has RAM or the transaction will fail. So I actually jumped the gun a little bit. Let's go back to the wallet. Go to RAM, Collection RAM. Hoodpunk NFTs collection needs some RAM. I'll click on More Info. And you can see I actually have RAM. I got 24 wax worth, so I don't really need to deposit any. But you can deposit right here by just entering an amount. Click on Deposit Wax. And then just sign the transaction. It's simple. How much RAM do you need? Well, for the initial deposit to create an actual balance for you, that's probably somewhere like 1 wax, just as a ballpark figure. After that, it's only 8 bytes per NFT. I'm on blocks right now. And if I was to type in, let's say 8,000 bytes, 4.67 wax. So that would be enough to cover 1,000 NFTs in my pool. If you want to deposit 1,000 NFTs into the pool, you just need the initial like 1 wax or whatever it is, and then another 4.67 roughly, depending on what the price is. So it's very cheap and it's basically free. All right, once you have RAM deposited, then you go to the Manage Pool page, and you'll see that there's a little drop-down menu here where you can click on different collections. These are all the NFTs you have in your wallet. You can add from any collection. So if I want to, let's say, add a couple from Senor Lupe's collection, I might add these 2 coins here. Now you can see at the bottom left it says Add 2 NFTs. Then I can click on this button, and now I can click Hoodpunk NFTs, and I can add a couple more NFTs. So I just clicked on 3 more. And now it's asking me at the bottom if I want to add 5 NFTs to the pool because I have 5 selected from 2 different collections. So now I would just click Add 5 NFTs. It's going to ask me to sign a transaction. This is where the RAM matters. If you don't have RAM, this is not going to work. This will fail. So make sure you have the RAM. Sign the transaction. Your assets have been added. And now if we go up to View Pool at the top here, it says it doesn't have any assets. I'm just going to refresh the page. And now click View Pool, and you can see the 5 assets we added are now in the pool. So this is not a pack. This is just a pool. All you have right now is a pool. You still need to create your pack. So let's go back to the wallet, go down to Pack Creator, and click Create New Pack. And it'll show you the pre-minted pools that you have here. The one that we just created is Premint Test. That's pool number 74. And we just click the Create Pack button. Now it's going to take us to this page. It's asking us to create an unboxing page. This is essentially a pack. Unboxing page means a page where people can unbox their pack. So all you have to do, it tells you right here, prerequisites. You created a pre-minted pool on WaxDAO. you have created an NFT template to use as your pack template. Don't use this page until both of those are completed. So we've got our pre-minted pool, and we actually didn't create a pack template, but you can use any NFT as a pack. I think a lot of people don't understand what a pack even is. There's no such thing as a pack. It's literally just an NFT that you send somewhere, it gets burned, and then in exchange, the person gets an NFT from a pre-minted pool. You can use any NFT as a pack template. All right? This is not a drop that we're creating right now either. You can sell your pack template anywhere you want. You could sell your pack template on WaxDAO. You could sell your pack template on Nifty Blocks. You could sell your packs on Atomic Hub. You can give away your packs for free and airdrop them to people. It doesn't matter. All you need to do is have a template of an NFT that you're going to use as your quote unquote pack. All right. So if I go into my wallet and I just click on NFTs, not staked, I can literally honestly just select any NFT here that I wanted. So let's say I use this ripped pack template. I'm not even showing what the template ID is, so I'll have to go to Atomic Hub. So now I'm on Atomic Hub and I'm looking at this pack, and you can see that the template ID is 235490. This isn't necessarily this actually isn't a pack. This is just a sticker, but I can use it as a pack because a pack is literally just any NFT. It doesn't matter. It's just a pack, but it's not. So if I go back to create NFT drop, I need to change the title. That should be create unboxing page. Anyway, if we go, it's going to ask us what the pack template is and the total that we have available. So how many of these do we have available? How many packs do we want people to be able to unbox? Well, you can see it automatically put 5 here for me because it knows that there are 5 assets in the pool, but you can change this if you want. I'm just going to leave it at 5. And you can see here it says pack slots. All pools must have the exact same amount of NFTs if you want to add them to the same drop. So you can actually add more than one pre-minted pool. People have asked me, how do I have different NFTs? Like what if I want different rarities and different stuff in the pack? Well, you can actually add more than one pre-minted pool to this pack. So let's say I had another pool here. I could click on it to add it. There would be 2 slots, and whoever opened a pack would get 1 NFT from each of the 2 pools. So you could have a more rare NFT in one pool and a less rare one in another pool, and someone gets 1 of each, whatever. All right, then you have the start time here. Click the calendar. Don't type this in. Click the calendar. All right, it's designed that way on purpose. And then just click the date that you want to start. So I'm just going to click a date that already happened, October 1st, 2022. Pack description, pretty self-explanatory. Hey everyone, this is my pack. And then you can choose a cover image. So if you want to put the IPFS hash to an image, this is just going to be like a display image. It's not, it doesn't mean that it's what's in the pack or anything. So I'm just going to choose this random NFT from my Wojaks, click the IPFS hash, copy and paste it. And now I'm going to click create pack now. Now it's just going to ask me to sign a transaction. Yes, it says create drop, but it's literally the same thing. I have the create drop action to handle packs and drops. So that's why it says that. Don't worry. Transaction is signed. Your unbox link has been created. So now if I go back to my wallet again, click the wallet tab, open the sidebar, go down to pack creator, my pre-minted packs, and look at that. I now have a pre-minted pack. I already had one before, number 246, but now we have this other one, number 505. We can click more info. Hey everyone, this is my pack. This is the one we just created. And you can click, people want to know, how do I get the link? I can't find the link anywhere. The number right here, number 505, just click on it. And there you are. Now you're at the unboxing page. You can see I actually have a pack right here. I got this sticker. So if I wanted to unbox it, I would just click unbox. It would ask me to sign a transaction. I'm not going to do it. But it's that simple. And you can actually see the information about the pack here. You can see when it starts. You can see what the pack template is. You can even see what pools that it draws from. The pack draws from these pools right here, number 74. And you can click on this. It would take you to the page. And all right, so since I'm the creator and I'm logged in, it presents me with this option to add assets. It's showing me my whole wallet. But for a random user who's not logged in as the creator of the pool, they would go on this page and they would only see what I'm about to show you now, which is what we'll see when we click the view pool button. They would see this right here, and they wouldn't see the add assets button. They would just see these 5 assets right here, and they'd be like, oh, cool, those are the assets that are in the pool. I'm going to get one of those when I open the pack. And that's pretty much it. It's that simple. One other thing that I wanted to cover, obviously, look, I need to do some work on the UI here. The time is formatted as a timestamp, and the price says 0 free. Why does it say that, Mike? How come it says it's free? It's not a free pack. Well, it shouldn't even show a price here. I just need to get rid of this. There's no such thing as a price because you're not selling anything. It's an unboxed link, right? The pack, like I said, you can sell your pack wherever. You can sell it on WaxDAO. It doesn't matter. Just create a drop for an NFT, and that NFT is your pack. That's it. That's pretty much the whole tutorial. That should cover everything. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or join the WaxDAO Telegram or whatever. See you guys next time. Goodbye.